Good day, fellow. Today I'm going to do with you the geometric sequence. What does the geometric sequence concept implies? It is a sequence that consists of the constant ratio. The geometric sequence consists of constant ratio. You see, the constant what ratio. Suppose if, let's say, I decide to give you this sequence. Let's say if we have somewhere the 1, 2 and 4, we know that this one is going to be our term 1, then this value is going to be our term 2, then we have term 3. You see, then now if I say to you, determine the nth term of this sequence, how are you going to determine the nth term of this sequence? Firstly, you just need to know that the general term or the general formula for the geometric sequence is as follows, where a is the first value of our sequence. Then for us to determine the value of r is so simple. You just need to say T2 divided by T1. T2 divided by T1 in this case is like now 2 divided by 1. Going to get 2. Same applies now by saying T3 divided by T2. We say 4 divided by 2. Clearly we are going to get 2. Then this value is going to be what? Our r. At this, we can then now do what? Substitute. We have Tn, our a, which is 1, our r, the ratio, and minus 1. See, if we multiply everything by 1, it won't change. At the end of the day, I'm going to have something which is like this. You see? Then now, let's say for the second question, I decide to ask you to determine the value, let's say, of the 10th term of this sequence. How are you going to determine the 10th term of this sequence? It's so simple. Where you see n, you just substitute 10. Then going to get something like this. N is our formula. Where we see n, we plug in 10. Then going to say 10 minus 1. From here, you can just use what? Your calculator. By saying 2, 10 minus 1, going to get 5, 1, 2, which is our value for term number 10. Then now, let's say if now I decide to ask you this question, which is as follows now. Which term is equal to 128? How are you going to solve this question? It's so simple. How? You just need to say where you see Tn, we are going to substitute this value of 128. Then now let us solve. We have this equation, which is Tn 2n minus 1, where we see Tn. Whenever you come across this sentence which states term that is equals to that number, substitute it where you see Tn. Then now we're going to have 28 to n minus 1. Then let us write 128 in a form of prime base. 28, we press shift fact towards fact. Equal sign, shift fact. It's going to be 2 to the power 7, 2n minus 1. You see? Sorry, the light. Sorry, just there. Then at this point, you can then do what? Because now our bases are the same. Let us drop our exponent. Let us drop our exponent. I have 7 n minus 1. Then for us to solve for n, we just need to transpose 1 to the other side. At the end of the day, we're going to get n is equals to 8. Which means now term number 8 is equals to 128. You see? It's so simple. See? Oh, the light. So simple, you see? That's it. And again, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to do what? To subscribe. Then I thank you.